Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add your favorite music from your device to your CapCut projects. So here, I have already opened my projects, and to start adding my favorite music, you can start by clicking on the add audio here at the bottom. Click on sound, and after that, in here, to add the music from your device, click on this folder icon. Now click on device. So here are the list of audio that's on my device, on my phone. So I'm going to select my favorite music. For example, I'm going to add this. So just click on the plus icon, and that's it. The audio will be added to my projects. So to trim, just click on the audio and click on split and delete the rest of them. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, also click on the thanks button below. Bye.